Hi guys, and welcome to Mio's video channel. My name is Sally and I'm about to show you how to create a flower pot hanger with beautiful tassels. Everything you need is some rope and a ring that you can buy from us, and I hope you will have fun. Let's go! Okay, so what you need except your rope and the ring is scissors and a measurement tape. Cut your rope in 4 lengths that are 320 centimeters each. So I cut all the ropes and now I want to pull them through the wooden ring so that I have equal amount of rope on each side. And now I want to cut another rope that is 80 centimeters long. And with this, I'm going to create the first knot. What I want to do is to place it just below the wooden ring. So firstly, I make a loop like this, and I have a short end and a longer end. And the longer end, I just turn around all the other ropes like this, about 6 or 7 times, whatever you want to. And then I take this end, pull it through the loop that you created like that, and you take the short end and pull. So it goes into the loops. And there you have a nice knot. Now you can just cut this short ends. And voila! And so now I'm going to show you another knot. And what we want to do first is to divide these 8 ropes into 4 pairs like this, and take the ones that are naturally already next to each other. That will make the hanger look better. So to make this single knot, you can place it whatever you want, from maybe 20 centimeters down to 60, but I will put my knot a little bit higher up this time. That's about 20 centimeters. Then I want to put the next knot next to this one. Make sure that they line up. You can adjust afterwards by untying it. Like that. Now I have my 4 single knots. So let's go to the next part where we want to create actual net where the pot will sit. And to do this, you need to pick 1 rope from each pair. Pick the ones that are next to each other and make another single knot by choosing 1 from each pair. Also here you can actually, depending on what pot you want, you can adjust how long you want this part to be. The bigger pot, the longer this part should be. And now let's take this single rope, find another rope that kind of hangs naturally next to, and make a single knot. as you see now, we're starting to create a net. Let's do the other side. That. You see? Now we only have these two left. They should be behind for them to come in the right order. Awesome. Now they're together. Like that. So now we're gonna make another one of these down here. So cut another rope that is 80 centimeters long. Okay, so now you want to make another one of these below the second row of knots. So just as before, you make a loop, short end, long end, twist around about 6 or 7 times. Pull through and then pull the both ropes hard, like that. You can adjust it a little bit and cut these ends. Awesome! Let's try this hanger. As you see, I made this hanger for a small pot, so I chose this one. Yep, works perfectly fine. So let's go to another step to hang tassels all over this. It will look really pretty. Let's go to the tassel part. What we need now is to cut more ropes. Actually, 40 ropes that are 80 centimeters long. And I already pre-cut them. You want to add the tassels on the ropes that are in between these knots. And what you do is fold it in half. Put it on top of, let's start with this one. Fold it under and pull the other ropes through. Like that. Take another one. Put it above this one. And then third one. I usually put about 5 of them per rope. It also depends on the distance that you have here. If you want to put a huge pot into here, then the distance in between these will be longer. Then you might want to cut more ropes to cover all the way up. But for this one, I think I'm fine with 5 of them. And so now let's continue to add ropes onto the next one. Okay, great. So we're done. All the tassels on place. Let's try it with the pot. Amazing. Now you can just adjust all the knots as you want to. And what you could do now is just to cut if you want a neater look, you can just cut them straight here and cut this tail off as well. Do whatever you want. Good job, you guys. I hope you had a lot of fun. Make sure to check out makeyourown.se for more products and more videos. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.